Hello dear students, I am Manoj Bharti. I am going to teach mathematics to class 6th. Today we will do our exercise 8.2. Our first sum is, I will do the third part of the first sum. Our first sum is 110% of 650 kilometer. So we have to find 110% of 650 kilometer. Solution: 100%. How can we write it? 100 upon 100. What is the meaning of off? Off means multiply. And here 650 kilometer. So we have to solve it and then we will find the answer. Cancelling out 0 with 0, again 0 with 0. We can cancel out the above and below terms like numerator and denominator. Now just multiply the terms. After multiplication, you will get that the answer is 715 kilometer. 715 kilometer. Now you think that this answer is greater than this one answer, but see, this percentage also greater than 100%. So it is obvious that answer would also be greater than the given term. Also make sure you note down here the units. Here it is in kilometers, so you have to give the answer also in kilometer. Moving to the second sum, we have to express, I am doing the second part, 90 centimeter as the percentage of 4.5 meter. 90 centimeter as the percentage of 4.5 meter. Now first you will solve this one. What is 4.5 meter? Because this is given in centimeter, so we will convert this one also in centimeter. We can write 4.5 meter is equal to 1 meter contains 100 centimeter. So we will multiply this one with 100. 4.5 into 100 centimeter. So when 100 multiply with this, 100 contains 2 zeros. So we have to shift the decimal to right to 2 places right to the this one number. So we can write 450. If we shift one position of the decimal, we will get 45. There is no any number, so we will write 0. So after multiplying it, you will get 450 centimeter. Now we have to find what is 90 centimeter. We have to write 90 centimeter as the percentage of 4.5 meter, or we can say that 90 centimeter as the percentage of 450 centimeter. So you can solve it like 90 upon 450, because these are in the same units, so we need not to write the units. Centimeter cancels out with centimeter, and multiplying it with 100. After solving it, you will get the answer. Cancelling 0 with 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. Again cancelling here with 100, 5 ones are 5, here 20. So our answer is 20%. So here we have write 90 as the percentage of 4.5 meter. Now we will do fifth sum. 15% of a number is 45. We have to find the number. What we are given in the sum? We are only given that 15% of a number is 45. So we shall assume that the given number shall be x. So we will assume, let the number be x. Now according to question, 15% of a number. We can write 15% of x is equal to 45, and we have to find the number from this equation. First, make the equation. Try to understand the statement and then solve the sum. First, understand the statement carefully. Now, according to the statement, we assume that the given number let be x. Now, according to question, we have written 15% of x is equal to 45. Again, we can write 15 upon 100 and drop the percentage symbol. Of means multiply. Here writing x is equal to 45. So we have to solve this equation for the value of x. X is equal to 45. When this number shifts its position from equal to sign, we will take the reciprocal of this term. So here we will write 100 upon 15. So cancelling out the terms on the table of 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So our answer is 300. Therefore, the number is 300. We have to find the number. So that was all about your chapter percentage. Thank you.